more than just the rise being high-end. I think it contributes a lot to the inspiration of the thinking behind projects. So this is something I'm very proud of. I get tagged a lot by architects, and our architects get tagged a lot by students recreating the RISE using the scale model and learning about the thinking behind it, the process, how it came to be, and just seeing that, oh, there are more possibilities than just one way of thinking. We can attack a problem from different angles. But not only that, it gets to highlight what Filipinos are truly capable of. Sa Cebu, daming mga magaling na designers, diba? And I feel like that fuels that inspiration and innovation. And that, hindi lang yung, and I hope these innovations and thinking always go and trickle down to may socio-economic impact siya, not just on the local scale. And aside from that, we've added our innovation also on the line panel. So I'll just add to that we are working with a lot of low-cost housing developers right now using that technology. And by using that technology, we're able to create, ito lang yung challenge kasi with green technology. For it to be very, very successful, not only does it have to be green, it has to be better, and it has to be cheaper. Yun ba lagi? That's the Filipino challenge. So I feel like what our technology, what we've been able to do with our technology is to infuse air into concrete to make it lighter weight, thereby reducing the environmental impact, but air is also free. So we're able to make it cheaper as well. So that's why we're supplying the big developers. I'm using it in my own projects, but we're also able to be feasible enough for low-cost housing and affordable housing. So with that, parang nakuha natin yung sweet spot of that technology also.
How about